Hi, my name is Anne. Welcome to the GTBank Product Diary. Today, I'll walk you through some steps on how to set yourself up on GTBank Internet Banking. Step 1. Go to www.gtbghana.com and click on Register right under the online banking login. Step 2. Make sure you have all these listed requirements readily available. Click Start when you are ready. Step 3. Enter your account number and date of birth. Step 4. Enter one-time password received via SMS. Step 5. Register to create profile. A locked PDF document with your login credentials will be sent to your email. Step 6. Unlock PDF with code sent via SMS to retrieve your login credentials. Step 7. Please make sure to change your password on first login and answer security question. And just like that, you are all set to use our internet banking platform. For any other assistance, kindly contact our 24/7 toll-free line on 0800 124 4000. Once again, my name is Anne. Until next time, bye.